Hello, I'm Nikhil, and I have designed some car models. Look at this. This is the small one, and there we have the big one. It is looking impressive. And first, I made this one, and after that, this. There we have the cardboard. The material that I used in these cars is the cardboard. You can see here. They are looking very good. If you want to make a car like this, then you have to firstly design your car on a paper and then draw the design of that paper on the cardboard and then cut two pieces, this from left side and the right side, and stick them on the cardboard sheet like this. I also have included the interior in this car. There you have the steering wheel, the touch screen, and I tried to make this car more realistic, but you know the thermocol is very soft and it is not easy to cut. This are the high specifications. So thanks for watching this video.